In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bonk using the Trust Wallet application. This guide will take you through each step required to complete your purchase seamlessly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. You can do this by typing www.google.com in the address bar. After the page loads, you will see the Google search interface ready for your next action. Next, look for the Trust Wallet extension in your browser. If you have not yet installed this extension, you will need to do so before proceeding. Once you locate it, click on the Trust Wallet icon to open the extension. After opening the extension, direct your attention to the interface where you will find several options. Look for the button labeled Fund and click on it. This will take you to the funding options available within Trust Wallet. The next step involves selecting the option to buy cryptocurrency. Find and click on the option labeled Buy Crypto. This action will lead you to a page that allows you to choose from various cryptocurrency options available for purchase. Once on the Buy Crypto page, you will see a search bar. Click on the search bar to prepare for your next input. This is where you will enter the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Type in Bonk into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to avoid any confusion during the search process. After typing, you should see Bonk appear as a search result. Now click on the result that says Bonk. This action will confirm your selection and take you to the purchase screen for Bonk, where you can proceed with the transaction. After selecting Bonk, look for a button that says Continue. Clicking this button will initiate the purchase process. You may need to review the transaction details before finalizing your purchase. Once you have completed the steps, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully bought Bonk. At this point, it is advisable to check your wallet to ensure that the transaction has been processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.